Hi Michelle, sorry for being confusing or not being clear on the duplicate email thing. So what the duplicate email checker within Qualtrics does is it checks for the exact same email address and the exact same email content within a 6-hour period. This doesn't matter if it's an email that's in different contact lists, different samples, different surveys, anything. If it sees the same email being sent to the exact same email address within a 6-hour period, it will only send the first email and all others will be marked as duplicates. Now, in the past, you were saying this worked, which it actually didn't, because if you look at this, where you were saying the screenshot you sent, those two emails were sent on different days, so it wasn't within a 6-hour period you were sending this to. So if we have a look at this one here that actually did send, for example, if we view the distribution, you will note that the exact same email body is here. Like it's the exact same email body right here, exact same email address right here, which would be your just your normal right here, and then it would be the exact same email again here being sent to the exact same email address up here, which is why it's marking it as duplicate, because it is a duplicate. It's being sent the exact same email to the exact same email address within a 6-hour period. So to make sure that this will send, you would need to change something in this email address. Either put an extra space in, put a period, a comma, pipe something in that changes each time. So for each sample, like pipe in the current time, for example, just so that something different is in this email body each time, so it will send. Because if it's identical, it will not send and be marked as duplicate. And this would have happened in the past as well, unless the email was different. So for example, right here, it looks like these two did send, but if we have a look at this distribution, we will see here that there is, here's the email right here. So you've been assigned to the mindfulness group. And then if we check here, it's being sent to the exact same email address, but the content is different because this time they're assigned to the control group. So it's noticed that, okay, it's the exact same email, but it's different email content. So it's not a duplicate. It's actually sending a different email to the same email address. So that's what's happening. You just need to make sure that it's something different in the email body, and that's why it was working in the past, because they were actually unique emails, whereas now you're sending the exact same email multiple times to the same email address. So don't panic. You don't need to strip anything out. You don't need to delete anything, clear out anything. That's a little bit of an overreaction. You just need to actually make sure that the email body is slightly different.